Updating your legal name on SoFi is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name change is processed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Before starting the update process, collect all necessary documents that prove your legal name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Log into your SoFi account. Access your SoFi account by visiting the SoFi website or using the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 3. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings or profile section. Look for an option related to personal information or name settings. Step 4. Submit name change requests. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your request, check for a confirmation email or notification from SoFi. This will inform you that your name change has been received and is being processed. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated in SoFi's records. If you have any questions or need further assistance, consider reaching out to SoFi's customer support.